welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor, and today I have a super fresh and easy to make appetizer that's bound to turn some heads at your next party. So get ready for a sophisticated vegan caprese salad. Let's dive in. Grab a block of extra firm silken tofu, cut it in half lengthwise, and then slice it into a bunch of small thin squares. Add those squares into a container and pour in some apple cider vinegar until it almost covers the tofu. Put that into the fridge and let it marinate for 30 minutes before straining it out and setting aside. Now take out some cocktail tomatoes and slice them into thin pieces. I like these tomatoes for this dish because they're the perfect size when we layer them up. And last but not least, grab some fresh basil. I have an abundance of this year, so I'm picking it fresh from my balcony. Give it a good wash and now we can start building. Start off with a piece of tofu, then a tomato, and then a basil leaf. Repeat that pattern until you have a good looking plate. Garnish this up with some fine sea salt, some freshly cracked black pepper, and a good old spritz of balsamic vinegar. Just a couple of simple ingredients and we're ready to serve this dish. This is so classy looking and so easy to make. The balsamic vinegar really ties all these flavors together and it is so nice and fresh. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite appetizers in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
Missing a leaf.
I got the one from the next one.
I know he did.